Are you a real estate agent who feels like you're running on a treadmill? You're working harder than ever, late nights, endless phone calls, weekend open houses. But your income has hit a frustrating plateau. You're caught in the transactional cycle. Close a deal, get a commission, and then you're right back at square one, hunting for the next client. It's a feast or famine roller coaster, and it's exhausting. You see a small fraction of agents closing massive deals, seemingly with less effort, and you wonder, what do they know that I don't? The truth is, it's not about outworking the competition. The 99% of realtors are all competing on the same things: better marketing, faster response times, a friendly smile. While those are important, they aren't the game changer. The real barrier to breaking into the top tier isn't a lack of effort. It's a knowledge gap. The top 1% of real estate professionals have moved beyond the transactional mindset. They've mastered a skill that allows them to create value out of thin air, to see opportunities where others see only an empty lot or an old building. That missing skill is a deep understanding of zoning and land development. Imagine being able to walk onto a property and not just see a 3-bedroom house, but see the potential to subdivide the lot and build a second dwelling. Imagine advising an investor that a simple zoning variance could double the value of their commercial property. This is the language of developers, city planners, and high-net-worth investors. When you speak this language, you're no longer just a facilitator of a sale. You become an indispensable advisor, an architect of opportunity. You stop chasing listings and start creating them. This knowledge transforms you from a reactive agent, waiting for the market to give you a deal, into a proactive expert who engineers value and commands higher-stakes negotiations. But let's be honest. The world of zoning codes, entitlements, and land use regulations can feel incredibly intimidating. It's a labyrinth of legal jargon, municipal bureaucracy, and complex financial analysis. Where would you even begin? This is precisely why we created the Doma Institute. We believe this critical knowledge shouldn't be reserved for a select few. Our mission is to demystify the world of land development and make it accessible to ambitious real estate professionals like you. We've distilled these complex topics into a structured, easy-to-understand curriculum. Through engaging online modules, real-world case studies, and practical frameworks, we guide you step by step. You'll learn how to read a zoning map, how to conduct a preliminary feasibility study, how to navigate the entitlement process, and how to identify the hidden potential in properties that other agents overlook. We don't just give you theory, we give you the actionable tools and the confidence to apply this knowledge immediately, transforming your career and your earning potential. It's time to get off the transactional hamster wheel. It's time to stop competing and start creating. The future of your real estate career isn't about working more hours. It's about working smarter, with a higher level of expertise. It's about becoming the go-to expert in your market, the one who brings developers and investors to the table. This is your opportunity to build a more resilient, scalable, and incredibly profitable business. Are you ready to unlock the next level? Take the first step today. Visit us at thedomainstitute.com to register for our self-paced courses. Get your PDP credits on all our courses. Your future as a top-tier real estate professional is waiting. It's time to build it.